When the scope of a project balloons, involving multiple teams, intricate dependencies, and extended timelines, the choice of project management software becomes critical. Nifty, with its promise of streamlined workflows and collaborative features, naturally comes into consideration. But the crucial question for project managers and teams embarking on ambitious endeavors is, how well can Nifty truly handle large projects? Let's delve into Nifty's capabilities and assess its strengths and potential limitations when faced with the complexities of large-scale initiatives. We'll explore its features through the lens of typical large project demands, keeping the language clear and accessible for anyone seeking to understand project management principles. Core strengths for managing complexity. Nifty boasts several features that are inherently beneficial for managing large projects. Task management and organization. At its heart, Nifty provides robust task management. For large projects with numerous deliverables, the ability to break down work into smaller, manageable tasks is paramount. Nifty allows for the creation of detailed task lists, assignment to multiple team members, setting due dates, and tracking progress visually through various views like Kanban boards, list views, and Gantt charts. This granular control ensures that no detail is overlooked, even within a sprawling project structure. For instance, a large software development project can break down develop user authentication into subtasks like design database schema, implement login API, and test authentication flow, each assigned to specific developers with clear deadlines. Team collaboration and communication. Large projects invariably involve multiple teams and stakeholders. Nifty's collaboration features are designed to keep everyone on the same page. Task-level discussions, file sharing, and direct messaging within the platform facilitate seamless communication. This reduces the reliance on scattered emails and ensures that all relevant conversations and documents are centralized and easily accessible. Imagine a construction project where architects, engineers, and contractors can discuss specific blueprints and issues directly within the Nifty task associated with that blueprint, ensuring clarity and quick resolution. Project portfolio management. For organizations running multiple large projects concurrently, Nifty offers features to manage the overall portfolio. This includes high-level overviews of project progress, resource allocation across projects, and identification of potential bottlenecks or conflicts. This bird's-eye view is crucial for strategic decision-making and ensuring that all large initiatives align with organizational goals. For example, a university managing several large research grants can use Nifty's portfolio view to track the progress of each grant, monitor budget utilization, and identify any overlapping resource needs. Time tracking and resource management. Accurate time tracking is essential for managing budgets and resource allocation in large projects. Nifty's time tracking capabilities allow team members to log their hours against specific tasks. This data provides valuable insights into project costs, team productivity, and potential overruns. Resource management features enable project managers to assign team members to tasks and monitor their workload, ensuring that resources are utilized effectively across the project lifecycle. Consider a marketing agency handling a large campaign with multiple phases. Nifty's time tracking can show how many hours each team member spent on content creation, social media management, and advertising, helping to optimize resource allocation for future campaigns. Progress tracking and reporting. Keeping stakeholders informed about the progress of a large project is vital. Nifty offers various reporting features, including burn-down charts, workload reports, and overall project progress summaries. These visual aids provide a clear and concise overview of the project status, highlighting any potential risks or delays. Regular reports generated from Nifty can be shared with clients or internal leadership, ensuring transparency and managing expectations. For a large infrastructure project, Nifty can generate reports showing the percentage completion of different phases, budget expenditure against planned costs, and any deviations from the original schedule. Areas where careful management is key. While Nifty offers a strong foundation for managing large projects, certain aspects require careful planning and execution. Scalability for extremely large teams. While Nifty can handle a significant number of users, organizations with exceptionally large teams, hundreds or thousands, Working on a single project might need to carefully evaluate its performance and potential limitations in terms of user management and data volume. Implementing clear team structures and access permissions within Nifty becomes crucial in such scenarios. Handling complex dependencies. Large projects often involve intricate dependencies between tasks. While Nifty allows for linking tasks and setting dependencies, managing a very high number of complex, multi-level dependencies might require meticulous planning and a clear understanding of the critical path. Utilizing Gantt charts effectively and regularly reviewing dependencies will be essential. Customization for highly specific needs. While Nifty offers a good degree of customization in terms of workflows and project views, organizations with highly specific industry requirements or unique project management methodologies might find the need for more advanced customization options. Evaluating whether Nifty's built-in features and integrations meet these specific needs is important. Integration with enterprise-level systems. Large organizations often rely on a suite of enterprise-level systems, e.g., ERP, CRM, while Nifty offers several integrations. Ensuring seamless data flow and interoperability with all existing systems might require careful planning and potentially custom integrations.